How's it going, or what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Kiara Ducasse here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Thanks for being here with me on the channel. I really do appreciate it, and thank you to you for being the wonderful, blessed, beautiful souls that you are. Today I have a great project. It is a project that is in the top 10, top 15, excuse me. And it is a project that in the last bull cycle did a 300x. If you want to know which project it is, then make sure to stay tuned right here on this video till the very end. And in the meantime, thanks for being here. I have a lot of news to share on this project as well, and well, not a lot, a few news articles. So thanks for being here with me on the channel. I appreciate it, and make sure to stay tuned till the very end of this video so that you know exactly what to do with this project, and we'll look at the charts right at the end on this video. Okay, so in the meantime, Polygon is it was ranked 10th, I was right. We know its logo, we know its name, we know its ticker. Currently sitting at 88 cents today, 3% up on the daily. In the past 24 hours, it's on 527,500 people's watch list. It's got a $8.2 billion market cap, and fully diluted is 8.8 billion. The maximum supply is 10 billion, and in circulation is 9.3 billion. So most of the coins are in circulation. It's a 1.3 TVL fully diluted to TVL ratio, which is very decent. Okay, and yeah, this project is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so this is the max where the chart has been. Imagine you bought Polygon 9, yeah, boom, and it went all the way up to the $3 level, I think it was. Yeah, $2.88. That's a 300x on your money. Well, it's still up from 4 years ago, 28,000%. Okay, it's also still down 69%, 70% from its all-time high at $2.92, which was in December 21. Very interesting. Now, the market cap value at the highs were $19 billion. So that's 2x from where we at today. 2 and a bit x, 2.2x. Now, that wouldn't give us that $3 price, right? Let's just see if we can get the calculator. So that wouldn't give us the 3, so $2.92 divided by 0.88. That's a 3.3, okay, to the all-time high. But our market cap, if we had to hit $19 billion, that's where it was, divided by 82. That's a 2.3x. So you see, not much up to that in terms of market cap value, and then it wouldn't break that high. But even with all the news that Polygon had in the previous kind of run that it had over here, and that it's had over here, you know, with the likes of Disney and Apple and all kinds of things. Let's go and have a look at the website, okay? 3Ly is making Web3 accessible, intuitive, and fluent to everyone. So, blockchains for the mass adoption. We already know what Polygon is and what it does, but let's go and see here. So what I want to show you is solid world launches on Polygon, POS, proof of stake. Web3 adoption by major brand shift to Polygon in 2023. So that's amazing stuff that is happening out here, and yeah, there's plenty things. But what I wanted to show you was company resources, developers, no, community, events, guilds, ecosystem, no, community, home, resources, company, yeah, matic, careers, contact us, no. Okay, I'll tell you what, I'm just going to make this easier. Partnerships with Polygon Matic. Okay, so if we're going to have a look at this, let's just go and look at the images. Boom. Okay. Polymap partnerships with Okay, so here you go. Let's just look at this very, very easy, simple one. And there's a whole lot more, but okay. So we've already spoken about all of these projects on here on one of my previous videos, so make sure not to miss out. But you've got huge MasterCard, BitPay, Instagram, all kinds of cool things. And speaking of Instagram, check this out. What's new on the Polygon SuperNet version 09 release? We are to announce the release of Polygon SuperNet's latest version, which marks a significant milestone for the development team and the layer Polygon community. This planned release line is crucial to the upcoming V1 production release. Okay, so Web3 adoption by major brand shift in Polygon 2023. So we really know that Google Cloud and Polygon Labs join forces to provide developer tools and enterprise infrastructure to accelerate growth across Polygon protocols. Tracking the journey, what's really happening on the Polygon ZK EVM mainnet beta. And then here, this is the article introducing immutable ZK EVM, so immutable in Polygon, powered by Polygon, the home of gaming in Web3, partnership with immutable. There was something on Instagram. So I can't find this article now, but there was something on Instagram that was published 3-4 days ago that was basically saying that Instagram and Meta are now going to allow Polygon to basically trade NFTs on the Instagram platform as images, which is absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, let's go and see what that's all about. But as you can see here, we have major partnerships in Polygon, guys. Absolutely major. Connects, Bondly, Legends, Hedge, Anchor, G-Farm, Render, Superfarm, XDAI, Phoenix Down, Poker, Band, Die, Mantra. I mean, there's so many, guys. This project has done phenomenally well, and that's actually quite a good picture yeah, I think I'll use in the thumbnail actually, and you'll see that now. But yeah, I mean, look at all of this beautiful, juicy information on Polygon. There's so much stuff here on Polygon. Why wouldn't you want to be here? So very simple for me. I think Polygon in the next bull cycle can probably get to about a $10 to $12 price, and that would give us basically, so that's a 10x. So yeah, okay, fine, let's call it an $8 to $10 price. So that's a 10x, and then that would be kind of a 10 to 15x. Okay, so that would be $80 billion in market cap. Could it reach that? Yeah, definitely, guys. Definitely in the future it could reach that. Don't worry about that. And let's go and have a look at the chart, because the chart is telling us a big story. So right now, this is on the weekly. We are oversold on the weekly, and it's time for a pullback up. So we don't have any volume coming in yet, and we have just been pulling down. So we're coming to the point here now where it is looking as though we are getting ready for a nice buying opportunity somewhere in this zone, and hopefully we're supported by this upward sloping channel. Now, if we do break that upward sloping channel and we are supported, we've got really not much resistance other than that one there, and then our major resistance is up here, which is interesting because it's in alignment with the upward band of this broadening ascending wedge. So for me, it's starting to look like it's gathering its momentum again. And if we go and zoom in a little bit on the daily time frame, you can see where we're at right now. And essentially what we want to see is this zone hold support on this band. Otherwise, if we do break below, that will probably be a little bit of an indication that we will come a bit lower, and we cannot break this 68 cents level here. If we break that 68 cents level on the daily time frame, then the likelihood of us testing these lows here back down on 36 cents is very high. Okay, so that will convert our probability into being very high, as opposed to a massive crazy pump to the upside. Now I just want to go and point something out to you. So even if we had to go from here to this box, that's 100% pump. If we had to fall from where we are down to the bottom, that is a minus 60% pump. So yeah, that would be very interesting. You can see this level has a lot of horizontal resistance here, so we will need to crush through that level with strong volume as well. But you can see on the daily, the RSI is telling us to sell matic and buy USDT again. So however, we are kind of getting that little strengthening level coming back here, and there is some sort of triangle formation, miniature triangle formation busy happening here. If I can just draw that for you. So we will probably break out of this apex, and guys, I mean, it's not much of a trade essentially, but and that's why I just think Polygon is just sitting very tight. You see how perfect that comes to that zone, and if I pull this right up to there, look how perfect it comes to this zone here. So either way, it doesn't matter what we do. For now, Polygon isn't moving a lot, so it is a good place to DCA into your long-term position, and this for me is a long-term project to hold on to. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to smash that like button for me, hit the notification bell so you know when I do videos like this for you, and please, of course, share this wherever possible. That would be truly appreciated. And of course, you can get your Bybit link down below if you want to trade or DCA into this position with me. Bybit link down below will give you a $30,000 deposit bonus. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one, beautiful souls.